is one-ton taxation.
Okay. Godongo ka koro watieko, in ang'o madinyis rowere ma koro wacho ni pod gidhi dok e ng'anyo?
An daher nyiso rowere oamua ni dwa dok e ng'anyo, ni time kawo mar dhi e ng'anyo no, gibed piny gisom finance bill. Gisom finance bill, gielewa, giwewe siasa biyo timne interpretation of finance bill. Sani ka na winjo ka madhi e ng'anyo giwacho ni siling 100 ibolo ni ka finance bill okalo. Apenjore ni common sense. Be gino nyalo common kwata kwa we everything constant. Be ok nyalre kibet mi. Koro king'iyo gi mos, it is ignorance moro matine machando gi about this finance bill. Actually na wacho Trevor ni gimora mora nyaka bed gi advantages gi disadvantages. And when we decide to go with this finance bill, it means that the advantages outweighs the disadvantages. Makata Sankara kao kwano mana actually ase winjare kende. Tana se kwano. Wewe achie kisankara. Tanteki is very poor. That is why. Koro no penjani wasete imango. Trevor higher education has been a success first years manodonjo 2023 September. In that higher education funding, there's an instance total orphans ichulo nigi fee tege serikal and they still get help loan must sustain in campuses. That is a success. Kibire subsidy money wakete production, it has become a success. Onge ng'anyo maro sufria wicha. No, it is nowhere to be seen. Kata sani ji yuago mana kia mobile money transfer, a lot of these petty things money. A lot of amendment has been done on that finance bill.
Okay.
As we proceed, the finance, in fact, what we want to raise bill, what they create over 100,000 new jobs in this finance bill. If it is passed by legislators, it will create 100,000 deficit mar employment. Koro, as we continue, progress of Kwanyal make once. To Kendo Sankara no wachonia. In every 10 shillings more collectors, 7 goes to payment of debts.
Okay.
We have to pay debts. We have.
Okay.
Yes.
Money.